What's going on, everyone? My name is Chase Reiner, and today we're going to be talking about how to easily earn over $3,000 a day using AI and ChatGPT. I'm going to give you a simple way to start earning your first dollar online, and then I'm going to show you how to scale from your first dollar up to thousands of dollars a day with AI. Now, if you've never made money online before with AI and you're a complete beginner, don't worry, you are in the right place. I'm going to show you how I went from earning literally no money whatsoever and living in a garage to where I'm at now, where I'm making over $1 million a year with automation. So if you're interested in this type of stuff and you want to see more content like this, just reply with the word yes in the comments right now. It helps me know to make more videos like this. It also helps me know to keep you updated. So anyways, what we're going to do is we're going to go and start by finding what is trending. Now, I don't think I should have to discuss this because you already know that AI is you probably already know that AI is one of the biggest trends on the internet right now. If you didn't know that, you can head over to Google Trends, you can type in AI, and you'll be able to see in the last however long, I think from 2004 till present, we're not able to see anything before that, but look at this, the trend is just going nuts. And I would say out of where we're at right now and where we're going to be in the next year, we're probably right here, and I think that AI is going to end up being up here in the next year. So it's just going to get more and more popular. It's kind of like, I think, in my opinion, this is like crypto when we saw it start exploding, and we thought Bitcoin was going to go from, I don't know, $1,000 to $2,000, but then it wound up going to $60,000 because of how popular it got. I think right now we're probably in just the very first part of the trend for AI, and it's just going to keep going up. So if you can start creating content around AI, you can get in early, you're going to be able to really capitalize on this trend and sell so many different types of products around this trend. Now, ideally, the only way we're going to be able to sell products is by going and getting traffic around AI. How do we get traffic? Well, we generate views. How do we generate views? One of the easiest ways to generate views is actually with short-form content. You might be wondering, why are you doing long-form content then, Chase? Because long-form content helps you sell things. Short-form content helps you bring in views at an accelerated pace. For example, I just got done posting a short-form video that I made a little bit earlier today, and we can go and look how many views it's at right now. Let me just refresh this. This is just on Instagram. If we look at the other platforms as well, there's going to be a lot more, but look at this, 857 views. I posted this about 23 minutes ago. Look at all these comments. So if you can start building views with content around AI, you're going to be able to start blowing up your following and your views, and then you can start building traffic and you can start selling whatever you want. And I'm going to show you what you can actually sell as well in a second. But first, let's talk about how to get the views. Now, one of the best ways to get views is to take a trending topic, head over to shineranker.com, click on Become a VIP if you don't already own the tool, and then you're going to go over to the keyword research /viral topic tool. And what this tool is going to do is it's going to help you identify the most viral topics around whatever trend you're looking to get views for. So for example, we want to do AI, and it's going to tell us how likely we will be to go viral for these different topics. So right now we just entered in the search phrase AI from the trend we found on Google Trends. And ShineRanker is going out and finding all of the popular topics around AI. Now what we can actually do is click on this check mark here, update selected difficulty, and we can see what are the topics in green that are easier to go viral for. So what you would do is you'd start creating short form content, that means 60-second videos around these different topics. So for example, I could create a video around night cafe AI. I have no idea what this is, but I could go look it up and I could figure out what this is about, and I could go and create a video on it. Now, if you don't know how to create the videos, you have a couple different options. You can either head over to ChatGPT inside of ShineRanker, have ChatGPT write you out a TikTok script, or you can go over to TikTok itself or any sort of short form content platform. Let's just say, for example, YouTube. Enter in that topic that again has thousands of searches a month, but also we know is easy difficulty. We can go to filters here under 4 minutes, and we're going to see that there's not a lot of competition here. Look, we have like one person with the actual topic in the name of the short form video. And what that means is that because there's not many people with this exact topic in the video, it's going to be very easy to show up on the first page on either YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. All of these are different search platforms. And Google is even indexing short form content now as well, so you could even actually show up on Google. But let's see this person who actually made a video about this topic.
You can start making art for free too.
And they are just basically telling us whatever the thing is. You can start making art for free today with the help of AI, and here's how. And then she shows us how to do it, right? So what I could do is I could copy this video URL, go to the actual video, because this is the actual watch page for the video. I could click on here, show transcript, and then I'm going to be able to see the whole script. Now, what I could do is I could remake this video and obviously try to improve it, right? You don't want to just copy and paste. You want to see, oh, maybe I could make this a little bit better. Maybe I could make this a little bit better. But remember, all you really have to focus on is making a 40-second video a little bit better. And so 40 seconds is not very hard to figure out, right? If you had to figure out how to remake a 20 or 30-minute video, that might be a little bit more complicated. But look, this person got 4,000 views for 40 seconds of video. That's like, what, 2 minutes of work, 3 minutes of work? And so we're in a time where most people don't realize that you can actually do very little, literally next to nothing, and get thousands and thousands of views. Now, when I first started doing YouTube about, I don't know, when did I start this? 2014? I had a very, very hard time getting views. I would do long-form videos like the one you're watching right now, and I would get maybe 100 views, 200 views. I'd spend an hour on the video. Even right now, I'm probably going to spend 20 minutes to get, what, 1,000 views, 2,000 views? You could go and do a short-form video right now with a brand new account, and you could start bringing in thousands and thousands of views. In fact, most of my short-form videos get more views than my long-form videos that are like 20 or 30 minutes, right? So it's so much easier to get views with your short-form content, and this is even if you don't have a following. Why? Because nobody's really understanding how to do it yet. Most people who are doing short-form content have zero clue what they're doing, kind of like when YouTube first came out, right? When YouTube first came out, nobody really knew how to do YouTube videos, so the people that did them were pretty much guaranteed to succeed because of the fact that nobody else really knew how to do YouTube. Now, everybody's doing YouTube. And guess what? Short-form content is becoming more and more difficult every single day to get views. I used to be able to do a short-form video, 40 seconds, and get millions of views on that video without any competition. Now there's a lot more, and every single day that goes by, there's more and more people doing this stuff because why? Well, maybe they're watching videos like this that are saying, hey, you're missing an opportunity. So it's very simple to make these videos. And again, if you don't know how to make them, what you can do is you can learn a simple tool like CapCut. That's what I use. And how does CapCut work? Well, CapCut basically allows you to edit videos, short-form videos, or you can use your phone. A lot of the videos that actually do well, or videos that I've done in the past, I literally just opened my phone. And all I had to do was read off the script, okay? Now, if you want to actually see me editing videos live, you can click on my channel here, Chase Runner, click on live, and then watch one of these live streams. Almost every day or every other day, I do a video, a live stream, of me going and just editing my own content. You can see what I'm doing to get thousands and thousands of views on these short-form videos. And you can just go and replicate what I'm doing. It's not rocket science. You don't have to do anything crazy. You don't have to do any dances. You don't have to, like, I don't know, say any weird stuff. You could literally just go on my stream, watch what I'm doing to edit my videos and find viral topics, and then just replicate what I'm doing. And most people, I think, the issue with why they're not successful is not because they can't be successful. It's because they wait so long to do something like this because they think it's going to be super complicated, when in reality, it's actually very simple. This is a live stream that I did about an hour ago, and again, I'm showing you right here, me going and just creating a script, finding a keyword that I think is going to do well on one of these platforms, and making the video. It took me about, 30 or 40 minutes to do this. Now, the reason why it took me a little bit longer is because I actually try to go and make my videos a little bit more unique by adding stock video, and I'm also interacting with the chat while I'm doing this, so I'm taking a little bit longer. But the point is that you could do this in probably under 30 minutes. And if you wanted to only spend a few minutes, you could just pull out your phone and record a video saying, hey, did you know you could do this or that? Look at this. These are examples of videos that took me 15 seconds to make, where I just watched a video and recorded my reaction to it. This is me reacting to somebody talking about a Tesla robot. This is a 15-second video. And then what I can do is in the comments, I can tell people to go to a link. I can say, hey, go check out all the weird robot AI tools at scarytoolbots.com. Now, this is actually a checklist that I own. It's a free checklist at scarytoolbots.com. And when somebody enters their email to go learn more about these different tools, well, guess what? I'm building my email list. And every single day, I'm getting more and more people on my email list. And this is just by doing, again, these very simple, either 15 or 60-second videos. And what I'm doing on my email list is I'm telling people, look at this. Today I have 161 new email leads, people that want to learn more about AI. And then I'm sending them an email and I'm saying, hey, check out the video, this video right now. I'm going to send out this video, the one you're watching right now, to my email list. I'm going to say, go grab this or go grab that. For example, go grab ShineRanker. This is my tool. I own this software. And I'm going to tell people, go buy this tool, right? And so the ideal is that you're going to do short form content, pushing people to a longer form video with some sort of email opt-in, right? Get them to opt in with their email. And what you're going to do is you're going to sell something on that longer form video. And from there, you're just going to keep repeating the process. I pretty much do the same thing every single day. I literally do the same thing every day. And what I do is I do one short form video so I can build my audience, get people to opt in to my emails. I do one long form video like this one to sell people on whatever I want to sell. And it doesn't have to be a software. You could sell them on a service. You could sell them on an affiliate, right? All of these tools have affiliate links. Well, most of them do. And you can get people to click on those links and buy things just by doing this process. Now, do you have to do a long form video? No. Do you have to do a short form video? No. You could, in fact, use, for example, my long form content and repurpose it into short form content and build views so that you can sell, for example, ShineRanker, because you get a 30% commission. But you have to be a ShineRanker customer and subscriber to be able to repurpose our content. But if you are, you can go and start using my content. There's so many different ways to do this, right? There is not a right or wrong way. Everybody asks, well, what's the best way to do this? The best way is whatever you feel comfortable with. Some people want to do content, some people don't. Here's an example of somebody. His name's Romy. He takes my content, my long-form content, he repurposes it on Facebook. This is just his Facebook page. He has 16,000 followers. And some of these videos get, hundreds of thousands of views on them. And this guy's made thousands of dollars doing this. But this is just one example. The principle is the same no matter what you do, though, because you're ideally just building traffic with short-form content, which is probably one of the easiest ways to build content traffic right now. You're targeting a viral trend, which is almost guaranteed to bring you views, and then you're sending people to some sort of sales page or sales video. It's that simple. And most of the people that aren't making money with this, the reason why is because they're just overcomplicating it. It doesn't have to be something super complicated. You can get started today as a complete beginner, literally just taking short-form content and posting it and building an audience and then selling things to that audience. So if you're interested in learning more about this stuff, one of the things I recommend is go become a ShineRanker VIP. We are doing a live class tomorrow, actually, and we will be doing them on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 10:30 a.m. Pacific Standard. If you'd like to be included in those live classes, all you have to do is just become a ShineRanker VIP. Annual pass is actually leaving today. That means you're not going to be able to get access to it after today. Inside the annual pass, you get a year's access to ShineRanker. You get our boot camp. You get our private Discord server or Discord access. We have different channels in there. One's free and one's VIP. And you get to use the tool, and you get the updates in the tool. We have a lot of really, really cool stuff coming for this tool. So if you want to get access at the special deal right now, today's the last chance to do it. Go over to shineranker.com/VIP or click on this button here and you'll be able to get access. But that's it for today. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you in the next one. Until we do, happy money making. See you. Bye.